Hello all. For the production hex file generation, usually we will face to generation of these files with respect to some of the ID specific or serial numbering process and all. We will do have some encrypted options in the tool itself. The same way for the LoRaWAN based applications, we do not have the such kind of way in our tool. So like a programmer does not support. So that's why I have created one of the tool which is like autocode generator Python. So this is based on the Python language. I have generated on things like with respect to one of the base reference firmware, it will automatically select whatever the rows present in an Excel sheet. Based on that bulk options, it will generate the individual hex file. It's like it will act as STM32 programmer batch file flash. So it will find this PQR3 field which is available on this sheet here. So PQR, these are all the device UI, LoRaWAN join UI, and network UI. This is all the individual devices. It has the unique values. So I need to create this all those bunch files. So that was right now my task. So here I will explain how I will generate those files within a short within less than 1 minute. So this is my code here. So PQR of this Excel file, this I need to generate with respect to the reference hex code. So this is my folder structure. This is my hex code. So how it should be. So device UA, join UA, these are all the reference hex file. This is the values I represent. So that automatically it will fetch those files and with respect to the every lines whatever the specific items needed I given here and this parse those things and it will add replace those files and it will generate the other hex files. So how much line items present in this sheet, based on that it will generate it and it will show the uh, output file to me. So here these are all my overall code. So this is how it is replacement that's going on explained here and yeah, and this is my file structure. My code is on outer folder and Excel output reference. These all three are there. So this is my structure. What is the file I need to do? So there I need to give the device.xls. So this is my older file. So I am replacing it as phase one. So my new file I will copy from. I will copy from my pen drive and I will add it here. But one thing is like file name should match with here. So then only it will get. Yeah. Actually here the file I need to replace with that Excel file in that folder, so that I just copying from my pen drive again. So it is missed. So I copied. I am pasting to the Excel file here, and here I need to rename it to devices. Then only it will work. So devices.xlx I am given. So now that's all. And also I am clear. I already cleared all those existing files in the output directory. Now I am going to Python script and coming to my folder cd, it is on desktop. So I'm just listing my folders. Cd space des, desktop is there. So cd space here, auto code is my folder. So here I just wanted to paste this my commands here, just copying it, just pasting it. That's all. So my all of this code files are generated. So now I'm going to output folder. So validation failed. App must come. So here some issues are there. So it is a 32 hex characters, but it is not appear on the row one itself. Just need to give the proper validation. So I'm just checking it. Right. That file I have found some of the issue with that Mac ID. So that's the reason it generated that error. So now I am rerunning again. So cd space stop cd space. So here I just open my readme file. I already pasted the cd files. Just pasting it, running it. So now it is generating all the respective files. Here you can see totally 92 files are there. All those